Hi guys, the new wheel's done. It looks great. Actually, it's just a miniature size. I printed out in miniature size so I could really see the effects of roundedness, and I want this compression to really just be able to replicate experience of an air tire. Now the problem is the angle is too high, this curve over here. So I'm going to actually lessen the curvature. And that's why I printed this model out. And you can see with slight pressure, it does get almost flat, but this angle is too high. And, you know, I'm trying to make sure that all the treads are flat. When there's a little bit of force applied, and you can see it's still not fully on. So that's what I'm trying to do. And once I get this working, it's going to be great. So it's good to print out some prototypes in smaller miniature size. And I see the sidewalls sort of, you see it bulges a little bit. So I'm going to make the sidewalls a little bit stronger so there's no bulging. So it's really trying to put the sidewalls stronger and basically create compression just like an air tire. So I'm printing a real size model. Now compared it with this type of tire that's all equal force, that's open. The problem with airless tires in general is that there's equal force, and with no sidewall you're gonna have to have more infill. You're gonna have to have just more infill, and that's the problem because there's no compression. It's an equal force. By having a curvature on the tire, what happens is as soon as you put some weight on it, you have this compression just like an air tire. So what's missing from the traditional method of air tires is that they didn't think about compression. You do have a little bit of compression here, but because they're air tires, you need to build up more compression than regular air tires, because obviously you need to create some kind of compression, and this works out perfect. So this is almost good, just I need to change the angle so it becomes more flat, and I almost got it, guys. And that's going to be the new TPU tires. And even this little dude is so actually very, very sturdy. Wow. You could put a lot of force and it's still just it still works. Yeah. So very good to print out small models.